Decades ago, a disease swept the globe nearly unchecked. Scientists and researchers grappled with this new killer illness that was poorly understood. The only thing they were certain about was that the disease is viral, deadly, and highly contagious. This mystery illness was later labeled HIV-AIDS. Currently, 37 million people are living with HIV-AIDS. What's even more scary is that more than 35 million people have died from it since the start of the epidemic. That's the same as the entire population of Morocco. In this video, we'll walk you through HIV's history, evolution, causes, and much more. So, take a break and stick around till the end because this video will be entertainment with education under 6 minutes.